Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in. This is Mike here. If this is your first time to the channel, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell so you can receive notifications when we release new content. In this video, we are going to be discussing 6 reasons why a blog can build a Reiki or energy healing business. As you may know, my wife Martha and I have taught many Reiki practitioners how to get the word out about their unique service, and maybe more importantly, how to grow their client base in an exponential way. So let's go ahead and discuss the 6 reasons to blog for your Reiki or energy healing practice. The first reason to blog for your healing business is because it makes you an authority. Whether you have a business or not really makes no difference. You have something people came to you for, something that people are always asking you about. That is where you shine. Why not write about it? Why not become the authority on that topic? You see where this can go, right? You can actually build a life you love while doing the things that set your soul on fire. This is real. When you build a blog around topics that inspire and excite you, it's palpable. It's your bat signal. Your people will come in droves to see what you're talking about, and then you become an authority in the Reiki field. As you should be. The second reason to blog is because it can build an alternative income stream for your healing business. As you are becoming an authority, you can start aligning with products and services that can help your audience and Reiki client base. These are called affiliate opportunities, and they are everywhere. This is the direction the marketing industry is headed in, so jump on in. Huge corporations are finally learning that people buy from people they trust, and people don't trust big corporations. They trust their friends and people that are like them. That's where we as bloggers come into play. We develop audiences by talking openly about things we love to talk about, then make honest suggestions for products and services that we align with, and in turn we get kickbacks. There are plenty of people out there that have such strong revenue streams from products and services on their blogs that they don't really need to do much else to feel comfortable. That's a killer way to build a retirement income, friends. The third reason is that blogging enhances the SEO of your website. Here's where I get a bit nerdy on you. You knew this was coming, right? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization and is basically how you boost your website to the top of Google or any search engine results. So here's the deal. When you're writing blog posts about things associated with Reiki and energy healing, like services you provide or products you sell, you will start showing up closer to the top of Google for those things, as well as topics alongside those concepts. Let me break down that concept super quick. So let's say I offer a one-on-one healing session. I could blog about that specific healing service, and I can blog about other things having to do with that Reiki session. So if someone is needing Reiki, they are probably interested in holistic wellness, health, maybe even alternative medicine, etc. See where I'm going here? The topics are endless when you think about your dream client and what they actually need. Just write about it. Then they end up on your blog, and ultimately, very likely to seek your services you provide because you are an authority. It all plays together. The fourth reason to blog is because it creates future opportunities for your practice. My advice is to set up a tab for media inquiries. This is so reporters and journalists can easily reach out to you for interviews and expert advice. If you don't have that tab, it's likely they won't spend the extra time to try to reach out to you, so just do it. This is PR, or public relations, friends, and this is how you blitz. If you want to make your online Reiki blog a success, be prepared to go big. This is more of a mind thing than anything else. Don't limit yourself. Set up the tab and expect for it to be used. The fifth reason why you should blog about your Reiki business is because it documents your journey. This is really fun because we are all living, breathing, walking, talking books in motion. We all have a story that can help other people in our same situation or on journeys similar to ours. Blogs equal books. As you are blogging, you will be able to go back in the future and compile blogs into your memoirs. How cool is that, right? You are writing a book. And finally, the sixth reason to blog about your healing services is because you are building community while you do it. As we share our journey, our knowledge, and our vulnerability, we create a community around us. I believe this is the most important thing of anything we do. I believe we are here to take care of each other and walk each other back home. If your blog can help someone else, that is everything. And let me tell you this, it is entirely more gratifying than any money you will ever make from it. Don't get me wrong, money and opportunities are fun and helpful, but friends, that feeling you get when someone messages you and says you helped them through a tough time, that is everything. Have fun with your blog. Oh, and I almost forgot, here is a link from GoDaddy to set up your blog, domain, and email for just $12 for the year. It's x.co/GDWPMK. You're saving over $100 here. This is why I love them. Also, keep in mind that we have something very special for Reiki practitioners and healers. We have a course for you that does this all for you. Here is just some of what you will receive in this course. A free website that is proven to convert visitors to clients, a free pre-built email marketing automation that you literally just plug and play, an in-depth training on Facebook ads with step-by-step instructions on how to set up an ad campaign that is proven to convert for energy healers. This is our Book Solid and Beyond Masterclass and more. You can sign up for that in the link in the description. Like I said, just look for the Booked Solid and Beyond link in the description. Thanks for your time, and let me know in the comments section what you'd like to learn next.